In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in Canva. Whether you're a designer, a student, or just someone looking to tweak a PDF, Canva offers an intuitive platform to help you get the job done effortlessly. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by navigating over to the Canva website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.canva.com in the address bar. Press enter to load the page. If you aren't already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your Canva account. This is crucial because all your projects, including the PDFs you wish to work on, will be available under your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, take a look around. Right at the top of the screen, you'll notice a menu labeled Projects. Click on this tab. It acts as your personal repository, showcasing all the projects that you've either created or had shared with you previously. Here you can easily locate and manage your works. Now that you're in the Projects section, what you want to do next is locate the specific PDF file you wish to open. Simply browse through your list or use the search function to pinpoint your desired file quickly. It's important to note that you should have already uploaded your PDF to your projects. If you haven't, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Simply drag and drop the PDF into the Canva projects or click the Upload button to select it from your device. After locating your PDF within the Projects tab, click on it. You'll see a preview of your document with various options surrounding it. This becomes the gateway to opening it in Canva's powerful editor. You'll want to look for the option labeled Open in Editor. Click this button. What happens next is quite seamless. Your PDF will open in a new tab, utilizing Canva's editor interface. This is pivotal because the editor allows you to perform a plethora of actions, from designing over the PDF, adding text, images, and even graphics. The flexibility in Canva makes it perfect for almost any level of editing. And there you have it. Your PDF is now open and ready to be edited in Canva. Feel free to explore the creative tools available to you. Remember that any changes you make can be saved directly in your Canva account, ensuring your design is accessible and adaptable whenever you need it. This process is straightforward, but if you encounter any issues, always check your internet connection or revisit previous steps to ensure everything is loaded properly. Canva's interface is designed for ease of use, so once you're familiar with it, opening and editing PDFs can become a vital part of your creative toolkit. Enjoy customizing your PDFs and happy designing!